You can just see how dirty this was.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I'm not even gonna talk about it too much, yo. You gotta stay tuned for.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for.
What's good? It's your boy GK back with another video. What we working on today? Yo, what we got? What's this? Cabin air filter. All right, bet. So we're doing cabin air filter on the Mk6 GTI. First things first, before you cop a cabin air filter, everybody else is gonna tell you it's cop a cabin air filter. First thing I'm gonna tell you, check to see if you even need one first, you know what I'm saying? But what this can help is you got a stanky air conditioning in your whip. Yo, you might need one of these. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to install cabin air filter on your whip. The link for this cabin air filter is gonna be down in the description below. So make sure if you need a cabin air filter, holla at that. It does help the channel, help me get some new miles on the car. Yo, let me show you a little sneak peek real quick what your boy got rocking. Oh, what is that? Oh, I'm not even gonna talk about it too much, yo. You gotta stay tuned for that because we're gonna get that on the whip, yo. New clutch, you already know what that means. So what we got here is a Hinks. I don't know how you say it, man. Leave it down in the comment section if you know how to say it, but we got one of these cabin air filters. So what I'm gonna do is take you over to the whip, show you how to get that done. But first, make sure you slap that like button, hit that subscribe button down below because I can't wait to see you join the family. Holla at your boy. Let's jump into it. All right, so what you need to do is you're gonna come out to your whip. You're gonna go to the passenger side. You're gonna come under here. Now, once you're under here, you're gonna see back here, you got this little felt. So all you need to do with this little felt is pop it down like this on both sides. Slide it out of there. Now, what you're normally gonna have is you're gonna have two little clips. One in here that you're gonna just thumb screw and loosen off. However, whoever owned my whip before must have never put those back in. So right under here, you're gonna have this section right here is what you're gonna remove. So to do this, you're just gonna grab, put your finger in this little spot, pull it to the right. That's gonna slide down. Oh, my cabin filter already trying to fall out on your boy. So then you're gonna just slide this out of here. Now you gotta get some junk on your floor.
You just pull it out of there. So this is my old cabin air filter. You can just see how dirty this was from the previous owner.
So now we're gonna grab a new one, slide it in there. I want you to look at that, nice and clean and new. Let's get it in the whip. So now all you're gonna do is reverse the way you did it, slide it back up in there, and put it in the vehicle. So now all I did was slide it up in here. All right, put the little piece on there, and then push it to the left. That's it. Now you're just gonna get your felt back in there. Hopefully vacuum all this nonsense up that might have fell out for you. And the install is done. Now that it's all done, you can see I've slid it back into place. The felt piece is back where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna have to order some thumb screws to put in those spots. There's one over there, and there's another over here. And there you go, super easy install. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy GK signing out with another one from Live Fast. See you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.